This was not a routine disturbance call. According to investigators, the suspect called 911 himself, threatening to kill people and telling dispatchers he wanted responding officers to kill him when they arrived. On May 6, 2026, Richardson police officers responded to multiple 911 calls reporting aggravated assaults and stabbings at the Good Vibes Bar and Grill in Richardson, Texas. According to Richardson Police, 28-year-old Stephen Kwembe entered the business armed with a knife and attacked multiple people inside the restaurant. Moments later, responding officers encountered the suspect still armed with the knife outside the business. Police say officers repeatedly ordered him to drop the weapon, but he refused commands and continued advancing toward officers. We are starting this video with the actual 911 call made by the suspect himself.
Good Vibes and Bar and Grill.
Good, you said Good Vibes?
Yeah, that's the one, yeah. So I'm gonna kill this bitch. I'm gonna kill this other dude who also was kind of like stopping me. So I'm gonna kill two people that did me wrong, right? Because they called the cops on me. They were trying to kill me. So
okay.
I'm gonna kill two people. So anybody that directly jumps in.
You said 2118 West Buckingham?
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Okay.
And when you call the cops when they come, right, tell them they must kill me. Because if they don't, I'm gonna kill as many people as I can. So make sure they come in bulletproof, light me up.
Okay, so what are you going to do to officers?
You say what?
What did you say about officers?
No, I said that when they come, make sure they kill me. So let them come full force, do what they need to do, you know, but a message has to be sent today, you know.
Okay.
The world has to know that racism is to end. You say what?
Do you have any weapons on you?
Oh, yeah, I've got a weapon on me. Yeah, definitely. This I'm going to kill this.
Okay, what do you have on you?
I'm going to tell you. Let them come, they'll find out. But when they come, just let them know that it's going to be bloody. It's going to be bloody, and, yeah. And it's what it is. I did everything the right way. My name is Stephen Kwembe.
We now go to the responding officer's body-worn camera perspective.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! 53, I got him at gunpoint. He's got a knife in his right hand. Kwembe, drop the knife!
Person 1 at gunpoint, 24
Kwembe, we want to help you, but you need to drop that knife! And I need you to do it right now!
Stop walking! Sir, put the knife down! Put the knife down! Do it now!
Kwembe, stop!
Shoot me! Do it! Put the knife down! Watch your back drop. Do it. Let's do it. I gave up on life. Do it. Stop. Just put it on the ground. We don't want to hurt you, dude. Do it. Put the knife on the ground, all right? Do it. Just put the knife down. Get down on your knees. No. Okay. Do it.
Yeah.
Kill me. No, so we don't want to kill you. I want to die. We don't want to kill you.
Kwembe, stop!
Put it down.
Stop!
Shots fired.
Shots fired. Suspect down.
I got it. Shots fired. Subject down. Here, get back here.
Kwembe, put your arms out to your side!
We don't have to hurt you.
Kwembe, put your arms out!
We don't have to hurt you. Put your arms out to the side, sir. Put your arms out. Put your arms out. Put your arms out.
I'm gonna hit him with less lethal.
Go ahead.
Less lethal.
Hey,
Put your arms out. Put your arms out.
hey, put your arms out to the side, sir.
We want to help
Arms
you.
out to the side, sir.
I see.
Arms out to the side. We want to help you.
We wanna
don't
help
want
you.
Die, all right?
Sergeant, they say we have a victim inside.
Okay.
I'm moving.
Send the RSVP page. Use my phone number as far as what we got.
Hey, is there somebody in here, Stab?
Yes.
Where? 53, we got several subjects stabbed inside. I need medical immediately.
According to Richardson Police, 4 victims were left in critical condition during the stabbing attack, while several others were injured attempting to stop the suspect before officers arrived. Authorities say officers used both lethal and less lethal force during the confrontation before the suspect was ultimately stopped. The suspect was later pronounced deceased at the hospital. From a tactical perspective, this incident demonstrates how dangerous edged weapon encounters can become in crowded public environments. According to investigators, officers were responding not only to an armed suspect, but also to an active and chaotic scene involving wounded victims, civilians attempting to intervene, and a suspect who had reportedly told dispatchers he wanted officers to kill him. Situations like this force officers to rapidly balance de-escalation efforts, public safety, less lethal options, and deadly force decisions, often within just seconds. Legally, investigators will examine whether officers reasonably believe the suspect posed an immediate threat of death or serious bodily injury at the moment force was used. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank you for watching this video and supporting this channel. This is Texas Safety Watch, where we break down what legally matters and what does not. Stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We will see you in the next case.